Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to delete bulk emails in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete bulk emails in your Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. Now after opening your Gmail app guys, you can delete your bulk emails on your primary inbox section as well as on your all mail section. So in order to go to the all mail section, tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you can see there is the all mail option available for us, or the primary inbox section available for us. Tap on the section on which you want to delete your emails, and after tapping on them guys, tap and hold on one of the email, and after that guys, the select all button will be available for us. You can see over here at the top left corner of the screen, and if you tap on select all, 50 of those emails on your Gmail account will be selected. But if you want to delete more, scroll down until those 50 emails are crossed, and the moment those 50 emails are crossed by scrolling down, you'll be able to again select up to 100 emails. And with that being done guys, after selecting the amount of emails which you want to delete by scrolling down, you can see, let's tap on the select all, and the 150 emails will be selected. So the moment you scroll down out of the range of the mails you have selected, you'll be able to select more. And with that being done guys, after selecting your bulk email which you want to delete, the dumpster icon is available at the top of the screen. Tap on that dumpster or the delete icon, and those emails will be deleted on Gmail. That will work on the primary inbox section as well as the all mail section. Just tap and hold on the mail, and you'll be able to select all, which will select up to 50 mails. And if you scroll down below those 50 mails, you'll be able to select again 100 emails. Similarly, tap on the delete or the dumpster icon at the top of the screen over here, and those mails will be deleted. And that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to delete bulk mails on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.